Right, welcome to Tymon South Park. There's the National Basketball Arena, or as they like to call it, the NBA. This is the south side, and I'm kind of doing the divide by M50. So we'll finish the north side on Tallaght there. Ooh, there's a doggy. Got a ball. Morning. Crap. Totally done with these things. Ah, no. Right. Hopefully that was good for a while. So we'll come back to here. Right. And shouldn't be the start. Something. I'll take a chill fix. At Tymon Park, you get the back way and you get the car park. There's lots of ways in actually. It's like 10 or 12 entrances. This side, actually both sides have lakes. This side has a playground. The other one has some sports pictures on it. There's a pheasant. You have some like little side fields on either side. Just take it easy, like, you know, enjoy the nature. And ignore the M50 and the wind. You know, just have a little nature woods that you can just go in and play and stuff like that. It's a nice day out, you know. Just have the blank field there on the left. We have a gar pitch on the right. So I know the schools usually utilise these. Our school used it. Actually, our school probably does still use them. This is where our school is now. Well, my old school is now. Clash the Deed. Hannes at all too. Kan ik kijken hoor. Agus too thin. Oh Jesus! Don't break on me. They're heavy enough bike to cycle without the battery. I'm going slow because I don't want to turn the corner and then there's a dog there kind of thing, you know. It's like, oh no, because the brakes on this are kind of crappy, but you know, they do. There's another gar pitch over there. Little walkways that people just make like over time, just going places, exploring, you know, it's kind of free range. Hopefully it's not too dark here. Or maybe that's just my sunglasses, because it looks pitch black. Lights is bright though. Yeah, or very little left into it. Okay, here's the main roads. Well, with this left here, there's like a road here for all the construction people now. There's a playground there to my left. Don't know if you can see it. So I'll try to whip it in there a bit. There we go. Little river. There's dogs barking. Dogs telling each other what they watched on Netflix last night while chilling with their, you know, their peoples. And then the guy lifting the table said, "Pivot, pivot." So I thought I'd come outside here to show you another entrance. Yeah, the car park entrance. Okay. Alright, thank you. We don't have. Oh, we have a map, like, you know, you need one of them. Yeah, we have some ducks. Little ducks. What's the scoop? Then we have one of those flying things. We're going fast. There's some swans here. Oh, alright, no, they're geese. Hey geese. Is that you, a swan or a geese? Ignorant, didn't tell me. Well, it must be a geese then. We have the lakes here, and it's nice on a sun's day, you know? Nice place to come. I like there's a back way there as well. There's a playground down here. So as you see, like, I've been cycling for ages and I haven't even covered most of the park, you know. So this is the south side, you know, and then there's the north side, which has more as well. See if we can go loop up and around and then we'll cross the bridge onto the north side. Would it be west side or east side? I'm not sure. It's my old skill class, did you? Yeah, that's basically it. We should be able to get out here, go down, come back in, and then cross off to the north side. So hopefully that was a nice little tour. We'll do the same now in a minute again. Still, again, another, maybe again, still. Yeah, had problems with cars being brought in here, so I had to put a boulder there. Just enough for people and dogs and bikes to squeeze through. And as you can see, it's still pretty empty on the streets. In a couple of hours, this road will be busy as well. And with the economy and the fuel state, I thought I'd like do some bike tours. And get a few electric bike tours in first. Probably be getting a car tour in a little later on today, if I'm not way thinking, if the weather holds off nice. Yeah, get a driving tour and a walking tour. I think I can turn that too. I'm not sure. We will see. This whole new housing estate here. All the houses sprung up out of nowhere. I think I can get back into the park this way. because it's changed so much, I kind of lost track. Sorry, my hands are a bit numb. Right. Maybe I was wrong and I have to go the other way. Yeah, I think I was wrong. Alright, never mind. Yeah, I'll find it when I go back the other way. So we're going to just go back in the way we came out.